2021 Toyota Camry. Starting to put a lights over here, and now to remove this shield, lower shield, couple of bolts over here, and what I'm guessing it is have a nuts space, so put a nut and rest of the wiring I'll do it.
I had lost my handle.
Okay, this wire is a little short for daylight running and flusher or turn signal, what you will say. Trick is I'm doing it from here, I guess, and I'll move it from here and then I'll take it out from here if you can make it see. It will be coming over here, so I can move it over here, so cannot make it. Anyways, that will become over here with this plastic near and goes to the light, and if you see this will be wiring harness is coming over here, so that will be go here and then it will go down and it will be coming over here. Okay, now I have to put a second one. If you can see it, I can penetrate from let me so that is penetrating under this plastic, but I have to take it out from here. Then I can go over here to take it out this wire, and then again from this hole I just put it down and it comes under the light, and you have to make it little bit figure out where it is coming, so you have to make a wire push, and then once it's clear it will be straight up over here. So if I can make a video from here or anything, but cannot show you from here trying it, but I cannot. So technically it's came out over here, this wire came out over here if you see it, and then I push it back so it goes down from this under the light. So that's why I take it out the bumper. So bumper for you have to make sure that radar is not moved, settings are everything is there, they have a sensors, so I don't want it to move it, it's too much job. So now second wiring harness for fog lights, putting it, and then connection will be original car, they have a fog light over here, fuse connections are here, rest of the wire is coming from the internal, so I can use a open the fuse box, put a pin, and I can use it that thing, but I'm not doing it, I'm just taking power from here, and rest of the thing I'll check it whether power is here or not, sorry here. So let's see, but I didn't check it, but I will making a wire, definitely it will come from here, not cutting the fuse box because it has to be sealed and this is brand new car. So I'll try my best to make it over here as at least a connection over here of fuse. So daylight running is, which one is daylight running? Yeah, so that will be daylight running, so I'll put a disconnection over here, daylight running, ground will be ground, so that will be 12-volt power for daylight. Whenever the flasher works it will shut out, but daylight always runs, so it will be take a connection from. So I have a fuse box, a fuse connector, and I'll put a fuse connector, or let's see what I can use it, because I don't want it to be look bad. So it's up to you, the choice is yours. So these are fuse for power, headlights is over here, so everything is written over here, so I will check it and I'll go for that things. So if I wanted to put a connection inside, so definitely I have to run the wire, or I have to find the wire, it should be on somewhere. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't have it. If they don't have it, then I have to check it and penetrate the wire from here, the bottom over there, and then come to dash. uh, Customer says I don't need it switch, so might be I'll end up over here. So let's see. If he need it, I'll put an extra wire, one wire, and that will be switch. I mean, so that's how I'm working it right now. I'll make it this one fix, and then I'll show you how it's going to be fixed. Main point is how to run the wiring, because these are aftermarket wiring, and that's how I have to do it. So if I go over here, I just make it run, and it will be coming over here. So one wire I have to do it completely over here, and that's how it goes from the here. So I have to plan it, put this box over here somewhere. That's for a flasher system and daylight running. Another box for relay system. This one, after marking what I was talking about, that will be going from here as well. So hopefully I can run it easily. Let's see. And then after that, on the fuse box, other connections, I'll show you. But right now it's I'm just not removing the bumper because they have, and that's what I'm doing it right now. Let's see.